Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video, we will see how to write a Python program to print reverse of elements in the given list. So let's get started. A list can be created by using square braces and values can be duplicated or repeated and it is index based. We can add, remove, replace, insert values into list. Now we will see the program to find reverse of elements in the given list. First, we will write the program and later on we will discuss the program. Yeah, we are done now. We need to save the file. So click on file, click on save as. You can give any name, like I'm giving listrev.py. We need to save the Python file with the extension py. So file name.py. Now click on save. Yeah, file is saved. You can see here. And also we got a Python file here. Now we need to execute this Python program in command prompt. So click here, type cmd to open command prompt. After that we need to give path. So cd space desktop, enter, dictionary, enter. Now list this is the file name which we have saved just now. .py, enter, and this is the output we got. So copy and paste here. This is the output. Now we will see the code line by line. This line of code is used to assign list of elements 14, 23, 45 to the variable x, and this is the empty list, and we are assigning that empty list to y variable. And after that, for n in x means n value in x list. After that, it will enter the loop y dot append int str of n colon colon minus 1. Here we are doing minus 1 means reverse indexing. For every element in x, by taking this, for n in x means by taking every element in x, after that we are doing reverse of that number by taking reverse indexing. Now after that, print y. After reversing all the elements, it will append the elements to y list. And later on, after finishing all the elements in the list x, it will exit the loop and it will print the value y. So we are getting the output 41, 32, 54. We have taken 14, 23, 45. Reverse of 14 is 41 and reverse of 23 is 32 and reverse of 45 is 54. In this way, we can reverse the elements of a given list. I hope everyone clear with this code and output. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.